How to remove a watermark from Excel. These search terms are equally split, whether it's the page 1 watermark or some other watermark. We'll cover both. The page 1 watermark that you see here doesn't actually print, but it's annoying. On the View tab, there's 3 icons here: Normal, Page Break Preview, and Page Layout. Those same 3 icons are down in the lower right corner down here. Switch to Normal, and the watermark will go away. But there's another way to do watermarks, and this you can only see when you print or go to Print Preview, and it appears on each page. To get rid of these, go to the Page Layout tab, and then this dialog launcher to open Page Setup. Go to Header Footer. It's usually a custom header, and you'll see that word Picture somewhere. Just delete that. Click OK. Click OK. And now when we do Print Preview, the watermark is gone. If you're seeing a watermark, but it's not there when you print, it could be that on Page Layout, someone's added a background. Just choose Delete Background. I want to thank you for stopping by. We'll see you next time for another netcast from Mr. Excel.